Why did the F-14 Tomcat use variable sweep wings? The F-14 Tomcat used variable sweep wings because the US Navy wanted one carrier fighter to perform across a wide range of speeds. Its original fleet defense mission required range, endurance, and high speed together with the AWG radar and long-range AIM-54 Phoenix air-to-air missiles. Now, the Tomcat had to intercept bombers and anti-ship cruise missiles before they reached the carrier group, then returned for a controlled carrier approach and arrested landing. A fixed wing could support carrier operations and supersonic flight, but its design would balance these requirements differently. A highly swept wing supports supersonic performance but provides less low-speed lift and subsonic efficiency. On the other hand, a wing with a less sweep provides better low-speed handling but suits supersonic flight less well. Now, the F-14 allowed its wings to move forward at low speeds and sweep farther back as speed increased. The wings normally remained at 20 degrees for takeoff and landing, and the computer normally adjusted them between 20 and 68 degrees during flight. Now, the pilot could also control the sweep manually. The system helped the F-14 perform carrier operations, interception, and air combat, although it added weight, structure, and mechanical complexity. The Navy later used the F-14 for reconnaissance and precision strikes before retiring it in 2006. Aircraft age, support costs, and the arrival of the FA-18E Super Hornet all contributed to that change. Now, the Super Hornet replaced the F-14 and continued fleet air defense as part of its wider multi-role mission.